Hi guys, good morning. So guys, today I still call my brother so that we'll still do another challenge because that time it been they talk say na me cheater. So I say okay, let's repeat this one so that we'll see the person that will win. So here I have 2,000. Anybody that win this one will have this 2,000 naira. So that today money big, right? So I make this today money to be bigger than that other day. So guys, let's start it now. Let's start it now. Okay, your hand. Okay, wait. When I say start, you start, yeah. So guys, look at what we have here. We have over 1 month. So let's start. Wait. Let's start. Like this my own brain here.
Open your mouth. Don't be trying to finish together.
I'm my own company,
They eat now. Just they eat.
Wait, but now like this.
Wait, my camera now.
My own work plenty passion.
How you want to take plenty? Maybe one now we share. My camera money.
Like this. How then you take steak pieces and my own plenty passion.
How you want to take plenty pass man?
Wait now. Calm down. Guys, so more just this each first. She na my own okpa plenty pass. And the way they eat and not be so I say me we eat and just open your mouth like this.
If I don't open my mouth, how you want my?
They chop any
how you want my
everything
chopper?
from hey.
I bring your mouth, my pretty kind.